Ready to fill your room with love and tranquility? Keep watching to discover the simple ingredients for this enchanting diffuser blend. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth. Today we have an exciting recipe that you're going to love. Get ready to indulge your senses with our delightful Lovebirds diffuser blend. This romantic and aromatic mixture will transport you to a world of relaxation and bliss, providing a calming experience right in the comfort of your own home. The enchanting aroma will soothe your mind and create a comforting ambiance when you diffuse this blend. So before we dive into this recipe, I want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to create natural DIY products. That's why when you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you get the key ingredients you need for this recipe delivered right to your door. Our monthly subscription ensures that you never run out of your favorite essential oils and have everything you need for your DIY creations. And that's not all. When you subscribe, we're even throw in a big bonus box filled with extra goodies to enhance your essential oil experience. But wait, there's even more. If you prefer to gather your ingredients, you can also find the necessary supplies for this recipe and more at our website, simplyearth.com. Store-bought room fragrances often contain harsh chemicals. We don't want that in our homes. They can also be overpowering and even nauseating. But fear not, this simple and delightful recipe allows you to create your diffuser blend using all natural ingredients. So turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make Lovebirds diffuser blend together. From your box, you'll need 1 drop of Love Essential Oil Blend, which helps support romantic feelings, emotional balance, and it's uplifting. It's awesome. 2 drops of Citrus Blend Essential Oil. It's also uplifting and energizing. 2 drops Copaiba Essential Oil Blend. It supports respiration, emotional balance, and detoxifies. And 1 drop of Sage Essential Oil. It's great for head discomfort, it energizes, promotes circulation, it's calming, and it soothes women's wellness. Wow! Instructions. First, add essential oils to the diffuser according to the diffuser's instructions. Diffuse in an open room. To make a master blend, add 17 drops of Love, 33 drops of Citrus Burst, 33 drops of Copaiba, and 17 drops of Sage Essential Oil. Label your Lovebirds diffuser blend. A simple label will help you quickly identify your creation and add a touch of organization and charm. Wow, this smells wonderful. My husband's gonna love it. So with this, create a perfect blend that appeals to both young and old alike. You can make this too. Don't limit your creativity to just one recipe. Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and unlock a world of easy, natural DIY products. Each and every month, you'll receive a curated box filled with high-quality essential oils, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions to create natural recipes. When you make this Lovebirds diffuser blend recipe, take a photo, share it on social media with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth to enter to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. We can't wait to see your creations and celebrate your DIY skills. If you like this video and want more natural DIY recipes, check our videos for inspiration and step-by-step guides. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for updates on new videos and exciting content. You won't want to miss out on all the fun. Thank you for watching.